Hello, Ms. Princess. I'm Mr. 745. Welcome back to Daily English Prism. It seems Earth is facing another language challenge today.
Yes, Mr. 745. I found a family struggling with screen time during dinner. Let's listen in and learn some English.
Did you know that just 1 minute a day can boost your English skills? Hit subscribe and start learning with Daily English Prism.
Princess, dinner is ready. Please put your phone down now. Wait, Mum, just 1 more minute. I'm playing my game. You've been on that phone for hours. It's time to eat. But I'm almost winning. No excuses. We eat together as a family. Give me the phone now. That's not fair. Princess, it's not polite to use gadgets at the table. We need to talk to each other and enjoy our meal. Okay, I'm sorry, Mum. Thank you, sweetheart. Let's enjoy dinner together. Thanks for watching. Remember, mealtimes are for talking, not tapping.
And learning English can happen in every situation, even at the dinner table. Give us a like, subscribe now, and tap the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching Daily English Prism. See you in the next episode.